That's not how the equation works. If that was the case, how many of us already have had 25 people in our organization? Put 25 in the chat if you've ever had 25 people in your organization. Put 25 in the chat. See, we would all be rich if that's what the formula meant. Just find 5 people and help them find 5 people. So you all know my role is to provide clarity. You all know that my specialty is implementation coaching and transformation coaching and system identification. Let me give you all a formula before the formula. So here's a formula to write down. I've got a couple different ways I can say it, but I want to make a very clear point the way I say it to you right now. I'm going to give you a formula for compensation. And the way I want to share the first part of the formula is this: system identification. System identification plus implementation plus transformation equals compensation.